How to use the Millicell ERS 3.0 Digital Voltohmmeter battery installation and removal. When not in use, the ERS instrument should be powered off and disconnected from the power cable, as continuous charging may shorten battery life. The Millicell instrument power supply is included with every base instrument. To prevent battery damage, please use the supplied charger. The plug kit contains regional adapters for your outlet. The battery accessory is sold separately. In this video, we will show you the proper installation and removal of the battery. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the captive screw on the back panel of the Millicell ERS 3.0 Digital Voltohmmeter and separate the back panel from the base of the instrument. The battery pack is mounted to the base of the instrument. Remove the battery pack from the instrument by pulling up on the battery pack tab. This will lift the battery pack up and decouple it from the instrument. Note the position of the battery pack mating connector. This connection type ensures that the battery pack can only be successfully connected in one orientation. Caution: connecting the battery pack connector improperly may result in personal or equipment damage. Reassemble and resecure the back panel. Using a flathead screwdriver, fasten the screw into place to secure the back panel. Charge new battery before use. Dispose of old battery in accordance with local regulations. For more information, please contact your account manager or visit our website.